This is the fit of the 2010 Jeep Compass bucket seats and a 57 Thunderbird. So with the tracks, little feet cut off, they sit low enough to do the job for people that are 6 feet tall or under. There's a little bit of movement for the driver's seat. The passenger seat's a little better, and the seat folds down all the way. They come with their own seat belts that have to be cut. It's not a 3-point system, but it works okay. So if you're looking to find something that might work in your old 57 T-Bird other than the Mustangs and Falcon seats, it might work for you. This top is homemade. It's made with a thin dust cover and then painted with Flexseal and roofing tar and other kinds of paints. And I sewed on a nice clear window on the back. So I fit the nylon first and then glued it in place. Haven't finished putting on the chrome yet. I wanted to see if it was going to stay in place and handle the different kinds of weather, but it's functional. You know, I was just at first going to use it to keep the dust and the snow out and the animals, but I figured, well, I'll try some of my materials to cover it with, and it works okay for a farm car or just a beater, not a show car. This never will be. I've replaced 30 pieces of steel in this car, and it's really ugly underneath. It's all seam welded in most places, so it's functional and it's solid, but it's never going to be a showpiece. Just functional. This car sat outside for 30 years. Got the engine unstuck and it runs. Transmission works okay. Lots of patch steel in the hood too. The hinges were ripped completely off. So it took quite a bit to get this thing running. But there she is. Got a new gas tank in it. Fixed the clock. It hasn't stopped in 6 months. Been awesome. Most of the electronics still work, except the radio doesn't. I don't know anything about radios, so I don't know what to do about that. Speaker test's okay. Hey, let's start it up. That's without even pumping the gas pedal. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.